Welcome to the Money Breeder. Today I am going to discuss about the Nifty price action in this video. Okay, before going into the video, this is the standard disclaimer. Please be mindful of it. Okay, coming to the price action. Okay, the price opened here. The price is opened here. It retraced back. Okay, even in my Telegram channel in the morning I mentioned like okay, the price opened exactly at the resistance. Okay, Nifty opened at strong resistance. We have to see how it goes today. Okay, that was the opinion I had. Okay, then immediately I went in the some longer time frame where I marked the some zone here. Okay, if we see this is the zone, right? Okay, here is the stop loss area. Previous low. This was entirely one zone of after this gap. Okay, this is the place where we can expect some retracement level. That is what the trade I wanted to initiate. Okay, of course I initiated and I exited abnormally. Reasons I am going to discuss with you guys. Okay, Nifty respected the resistance exactly and retraced the more than around this is the 80 to 90 points was there. 90 points retracement was there. Okay, once again it tested, it came back to this level. Okay, this was the breakout, retested back and went. This was the entire move Nifty today Nifty have. Okay, complete cycle, very good move. I missed to capture this move today because of the some personal work I got in between. I terminated my trades abnormally. Okay, the first I know this is going to be the stop loss hunting. Okay, first what I wanted to do is here initiate the trade, capture some 10 points here, capture 10 points and make the some amount. After that, wait for the stop loss hunting and initiate the trade. That is where I started here. Here I think here. What is the time here? 10:15. Let me go to my order book where 10:15. Okay, this was the triple one, right? 10:05. Okay, if we see the options, time frame 7:50. This was here I initiated and closed the two orders. First order actually, first order I wanted to capture here. Let's say you initiated the trade at 115. 115. What is your stop loss? If we initiate around 115 or 110, what is your stop loss? 125 maximum 10 points. That is where it touched to this point. Okay, 115, 15 points, 130, hit the stop loss, kicked out. Okay, the institutions whoever having wanted to capture this move, their basket not yet filled. Again they did one more pullback. Okay, taken all the stop losses and run out. Okay, this is what the stop loss hunting happens most of the time. That is where first I wanted to capture something. Second, okay, the second time I initiated the trade at 131. This is the time 131 exactly I initiated here. Okay, 130 is my trade. If we see 130, 11:52 here, 11:52. This is where I initiated. Unfortunately, I got the some urgent call, so I abnormally terminated and I closed my stop loss as well. Okay, I cancelled my stop loss, abnormally terminated my trade and left for the day. After some time, I came back and I initiated on the Avanti feed where I got the stop loss, the stop loss hit. After that, okay, last minute I wanted to recover my whatever the loss I was having, the 3000. Okay, initially I had the 3000 rupees profit quickly. to avoid the stop loss hunting, I traded here. Okay, last minute also I captured some 5 points to recover the stop loss. Okay, totally today it was like support and resistance. It respected the resistance here. Okay, it respected the support here. Okay, from this exercise, from last couple of videos, I was telling like 90% of the time Nifty give respect to the support and resistance. Only the problem here what I am seeing is immediately if we start the trading immediately by seeing this area, right, we are the early people. They will kick out from our from us from the market by doing the stop loss hunting. Okay, then they will take, we are right, even though we are right, we lose the from the market. Okay, so instead of that, what we have to do is first initiate some small trade. Okay, capture some 10 points quickly, or initiate with one lot. When you initiate with one lot, let's say for example 110, what is your stop loss? 20 points, always 15 points. Okay, near this 15 points you initiate the complete trade. Okay, this was the learning and my suggestion based on my practice I was telling. Okay, don't immediately you capture 10 points here, or wait for the take one small position, create the complete position at the stop loss where you wanted to keep the stop loss. If it is not hitting your trigger, okay, leave it. Okay, that is where most of the time it happens. For me also today, my trigger, my entry is not triggered here the first time. Okay, I left. After that, my second time my entry hit and I waited. Okay, that is what it happens most of the time. Okay, so Nifty respect the supports, resistances, we have to consider this as the zones. Okay, and also wherever the stop loss is there, let's say you are initiated the trade at 20 points, your stop loss will be 25. Instead taking the full position here, you take one position here and remaining, okay, one lot here, remaining 9 lot here. Okay, or 1 by 9th position you can take here, remaining position you can take here. Okay, that is where, that is how you can prevent the stop loss. Or what you have to, you sell one lot, buy another lot as a hedge, you can get the smaller profits. Okay, not the more profits. Naked position will give you the more profit, and but more risk will be there. Okay, this is what for this today's. Okay, it was very good move. I missed this move due to some personal work, all those things. Okay, that's okay. Tomorrow, anyway, I'm going to get one more trade opportunities. Okay, thank you so much, guys.